What it do, CEEFAM? It's your boy C-Will back at it with another slight video, man. Look, it's the same exact day, bro. I got on the same exact drip that I had on, bro, the past 2 videos, man. Like I said, it's the 3rd video that I'm making in just 1 day, man. The grind don't stop, hustle don't stop. So look, boy had to drive 2.5 hours, man, to come get these wheels put on. Ordered them probably, what, last Tuesday, bro? So it took about a week and some change or whatever to get here. All right, y'all, so we putting brand new wheels, man, on the 2022 Dodge Charger Hellcat, bro. Putting wheels on the 2022 Dodge Charger Hellcat, man. You know, so look, if y'all new to the channel, make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, bro. Y'all see the wheels in the back, the whip in the back, you know. So look, I'll holla at y'all, man. Yes, sir. All right, just pulled up, bro. If y'all know, y'all know. If y'all tuned into the channel and all that, bro, then y'all know Audio City USA. That's where I ended up buying my first set of wheels that I ever got on my, well, we used to have a Octane Red Charger RT. All right, so I was in Hawaii. These people over here, the ones that I had got those gold wheels from, like kind of gold bronze wheels, man. So shout out Audio City USA, man. Like if y'all need tires, y'all need rims and all that from them, make sure y'all go hit them up. But yeah, bro, I'm finna go in here, y'all, see what's up. Just want to show y'all the before, you know what I mean? Yeah, I definitely think, bro, like the wheels gonna pop for sure. So yeah, bro, we finna go inside, man, chop it up. They said I gotta sign the invoice first, right, to give them permission and authorize them to work on the car, y'all. So yeah, man, that's how the car look right now, bro. Regular, degular, bro, stock everything. We got an M340i. I don't know the point in buying a M340i. Why not just get an M3? That's just me, you know. I'm not a M guy or anything like that. But yeah, man, I'm finna go inside, bro. See what them boys on. See what them boys talking about. You know, shout out to my guy Eddie, Audio City USA, man. So let's get it, bro. Gotta see what them boys hitting on, bro. How you doing, boss? Oh yeah, good, brother. Sheesh. Yeah, it's nice, man. My first time ever being here, y'all. It's the headquarters. Yeah, let's get to it, y'all. Let's see what them boys got going on. Hold up. But yeah, y'all, look, as soon as you walk in here, man, you just, bro, see how beautiful it is in here, bro. Even from the floors, look clean. How you doing, boss? Yeah, bro, they got the 4Gs, bro. It's like my first time ever seeing 4G autos, y'all. Like I said, first time ever seeing 4Gs. Got all kind of 4Gs in here. Hopefully y'all can see, bro. It's a little dark. It's a little dark right now, but yeah, I'm just giving y'all a tour, man. Look at these Ferradas, bro. Beautiful wheels, man. Beautiful wheel. We got them all in here, y'all. So just, man, giving y'all a tour, you know. Jeez, most of these, y'all, they actually have these in stock. Most of these. Look at these big boys. God damn. Like I said, shout out Audio City USA, man. Shout out Audio City, bro. There's everything in here, bro. Jeez, I'm really a fan of like this color bronze. I'm a fan of this color bronze for sure, y'all. So there's a lot of good stuff in here. Yeah, clean. Jeez. But yeah, y'all, let me go talk to these people, man, so I can, you know, get the wheels and all that stuff done, bro. I'm not trying to be here long, so look at these. Crazy. But yeah, let's get to it, man. Alright, y'all, so just now finished inside, man. Had to do all kind of paperwork, all that stuff, man. Had to sign an invoice, make sure that it's me that's going in there, not just a random person trying to get some wheels. So yeah, I'm pretty excited, man. Like I said, bro, shout out Audio City. Y'all probably see that thing behind me. Shout out Audio City, man. It's nice in there. Like I said, the first time I ordered wheels from them was in Hawaii, bro. So they shipped them from California to Hawaii. So it's pretty cool, bro. Pretty cool seeing it firsthand, like seeing how big it is in there. So yeah, they told me to pull up to the first bay or second bay to be able to get them installed. So yeah, that's what we about to do right now, man. Get these things installed, bro. Look at this old school right here, bro. Got a decent little like old school, man. Yeah, I don't know what that boy is, but yeah, shout out to the old schools, man. Look, man, follow your boy social media, bro. Instagram, shit, Snapchat, same exact thing, all that, bro. Follow your boy, man. Let's get to it. All right, CEEFAM, just pulled in, man. Finna get them boys the whip. Man, it's nice in here, bro. This look crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Nah, I guess we just wait, bro. Let's see. Hey, look a little tight in here, goddamn. Don't scratch up my whip. Get this boy out. That first, man. My boy. Damn.
2 hours later.
In the bottom of the barrel, so it hits the barrel.
Okay.
So that means that the wheel won't spin.
Right.
It's not gonna spin.
It hits the drop center. Dang, man. It's all good, bro. So yeah, I mean, we just going over wheels and all that right now, y'all. Came over here definitely to get them installed. Yeah, so I guess on my car, the 2022, the brake caliper is like this much thicker, you know what I mean? So what that means is the actual wheel is not gonna clear my overall brake caliper. So the 2020 and 2021 wide bodies are good. I guess my year they made the brake caliper a little bit more thicker. So like my guy right here said, Audio City didn't drop the ball. It wasn't their fault, you know. It's the people over at Ferrata, because they have all this in their system. They know what vehicle works with what spec. So they easily could have been like, hey, no, look, this is not gonna work for your client, and then so on and so forth, right? So now what we have to do, instead of going 20 by 11, which was the original plan, Bobby, you know, he appreciate him. We definitely gonna go 22 by 11, which is fine. I was hesitant to go 22s at first, y'all, because I was like, hey, you know what? I didn't want the like drivability to be wrong. I wanted the OEM 20 by 11, like how it came on the car, 305, 35, 20, all that. I didn't want nothing to change, but yeah, so we're gonna go 305, 30, 20, you know, and then we're gonna go 22 by 11 instead of 20 by 11, which is fine. This is my first time ever riding 22s, so it's all good, man. So, but yeah. Okay. Ride's still gonna be good, like he said. So yeah, man. So we ended up driving 2.5 hours, y'all. It's okay for no reason, but I'm just glad that we got to come over here to actually test fit one wheel, you know. So they test fit one scene, because they could have easily put all 4 on for me, y'all, and just freaking just let me think everything's good. So I'm just glad that, hey, I drove over here, test fitted, they actually caught it, and then now we can order the like right one, you know. So second time is the charm, you know. Shouldn't be a third time. It is what it is. I'm gonna just have to make another trip back out here. Yeah, probably took like a week to get here. So maybe next Saturday, you think? Next Saturday, you think? Okay, I mean, next Saturday is cool. Like I say, y'all, is what, August 31st. Came over here, you know, didn't go as planned, which is fine. It happens, you know. But yeah, now y'all kind of see what wheel it is. We got it pulled up, but it's okay. I mean, it'll look better in person. So yeah, just wanted to give y'all an update, man. What's going on? We in Audio City, USA, in California, man. So as long as y'all see this, man, yeah, cool facility, man. So yeah, we finna put the 22s on order now. The 20s already here. Finna put the 2s on order. So I don't know if Ferrata got a hat, if they got some kind of shirt or something. So, I don't know, you know. Hey, yeah, shirt. I'm an extra large, brother. So yeah, man, if you could hook me up with some Ferrata merch or something for the inconvenience, like I said, it's definitely not your fault. I get it, you know. But yeah, Ferrata dropped the ball, you know. So yeah, if I can get anything, shit, anything free, let them throw that in there, man.
I'll get that taken care of.
Okay.
I put the 150 out of pocket.
Yeah, for sure.
Difference on the rims.
Okay, that's fine, brother.
We found that checks. I agree, we're gonna change it to 22, and that's it.
For sure, man.
Okay.
All right, well, shit, man. I mean, my number should be updated in the system, right? So I mean, if you need to contact me whenever they come in, just let me know, man, and I'll definitely just come back. And 808. Oh yeah, I'm about to say, yeah, brother. It should be right there. Yeah, it's crazy, man. It look like call center and all that stuff is in here, man. It's tough. All right, man. Dang, that would have looked good, bro. Yeah, but see, Oh yeah, see, so this right here is exactly what they was talking about, man. So yeah, if they would have let me drive out of here with that, man, it would have been bad, you know. It would have been bad, you know. So I mean, thank y'all, brother, for like catching it, you know what I mean? Because I mean, I'd rather just like have y'all catch it versus me driving down the street and I hear some banging and, you know,
we're never gonna let
100%.
you do that, you know?
Appreciate that, brother. I can just come back again next Saturday, bro. It's all good. Well, hey, thank y'all for everything, man. Appreciate it. All right. Yeah. Well, yeah, that's fine. Oh. All right, CEEFAM. So look, man, let me just let y'all know what happened. All right. So basically, man, you know, came over here, y'all, to Audio City, USA. Drove about 2.5 hours, y'all, just to get here, right, y'all? So yeah, man, took my family 2.5 hours to get all the way to Audio City. Got here, bro. You know, they had test fit one rim, but you know what? Before we even get into all that, y'all, you hear me? Before we even get into all that, right? Talk to the sales rep. You know, I'm not saying it's my sales rep fault. I'm not saying it's Audio City fault, but they pretty much said, hey, look, everything's good to go. I went over the specs with them. I went over everything with them, y'all. You know what I mean? I went over everything, bro, to make sure that, look, are you sure these gonna fit my car? Yeah, it's the wide body and all that, but it is what it is. So make sure everything was gonna fit. Everything should have been 100. By the time I got here, y'all, should have been good to go. So make sure everything was good before I left and drove the 2.5 hours. Got here, they said, look, it was hitting the hub center or the mid. Well, I forgot what it was, but I had let them explain it in the clip right before this. So they said like it kept hitting something. Basically, my brake caliper, like I explained previously, man, in the last clip, my brake caliper, the year for my brake caliper, they made them like a little bit too thick. The 2020 wide body and the 2021, they made them a little thinner. So the 20/11 wheel that I was coming here for, it would have cleared it. But since the 2022, they made them a little thicker. Guess what? It would have. They say it would have messed up my wheels. It would have messed up the brake calipers and all that, y'all. So I'm more so upset because I had like expectations to get my wheels on today, August 31st. Like I said, y'all, look, man, I was grinding, bro. Like I expected to make 3 videos in one day for y'all, which I'm trying, bro. You heard me? I tried, you know. But yeah, man, like sometimes things just don't go your way, you know. And today it didn't go my way. Wasted 2.5 hours driving here. Wasted 2.5 hours going back home with no result. You know what I mean? I don't know if it's just the military in me, bro. But man, if I have a mission, I expect to complete the mission, bro. You know. So it's kind of like messing with my like pride a little bit. It's kind of like making me upset because I expect stuff to go a certain way. When they don't go a certain way, CEEFAM, man, you just got to keep your composure, man. Keep pushing. So yeah, shout out to my guy Bobby, man. He pretty much worked with me, bro. So to upgrade to 22s, y'all, I only had to pay $150 out of pocket, bro. You know, so yeah, he definitely compensated, or he definitely comped me on like the tire sensors and all that. So it should have been way more, but yeah, for the inconvenience and all that, bro. Yeah, it'd only be $150 to upgrade from 20s to 22s. And anybody that know, it should at least be $500 to $600 just to go from one size like 20 all the way up to a 22. Should be at least $600, man. So yeah, he said I only had to pay $150 difference for the tires essentially. So that's it, man. Coming out of pocket another $150, bro. I'm gonna pay that in cash. So yeah, he said, look, man, so today's August 31st. He should see me back next Saturday. So today's Saturday the 31st. So next Saturday is September, whatever. First week of September, man. So yeah, hopefully, brother, wheels come in Friday of next week. Yeah, Friday of next week, man. And shit, I should see him next Saturday, man. So yeah, CEEFAM, I appreciate y'all, bro, for stopping in. You heard me? All that good stuff, man. Yeah, holla at y'all, bro.